Solid introduction by itself is a task. Every parent is worried as to when to start, what time to give, what is safe food, what if my baby rejects it. And now if you have to introduce allergens, common allergens like peanut, egg, fish, dry fruits, should I give it or not? Is it okay not to give? You are always worried, and this was me a few years before. I know how difficult it is. We'll be either on the mobile researching or calling upon doctor every now and then, or a known friend who's been through this. So in this video, we are going to talk about introduction of allergens and is it safe? What are the things that we'll have to keep in mind? So do continue watching this video till the end. Hi people, welcome to today's video. My name is Kavitha and I am talking about allergen introduction. There was a necessity to follow 3-day rule according to so many researchers, and even doctors used to recommend to follow it. What it used to say, give your child the same food at the same time for 3 days and observe if there is any allergic reaction. If not, click it or check it as a safe food. Now, this was when my older child was around was just born. Now she's around 9 years. And almost 2-3 years or more I've been seeing these advices on introducing all foods to your child before a year. That is, before 12 months of your child's life, your child has to taste all that you eat as a family. Family food, cultural food, traditional food, local, seasonal, everything that you eat as a family, your child has to be introduced to it to avoid any allergy issues going forward. And this is what the new research says. But definitely we parents are worried. So I'm going to tell you a few tips on what can be done. At first, if you think something is an allergen, may cause allergy in your child, then introduce it as a single ingredient. Like an egg, you can cook it well and offer it to your child by mashing it. And if you think you're worried on dry fruits, then take a single dry fruit, then almonds, maybe father, mother, grandparent. There is a history in the family of allergy of almonds. Then roast it well, powder it, and then add it to any safe food, either single ingredient or dual with a safe food, either any fruit or vegetable puree that your child has already eaten and you think it is safe. Offer it that way. Do not give multi-ingredient because you will not be able to make out what was an allergen. So this is first thing. Then introduce it later as well. Continue to offer it weekly twice, thrice, or monthly once or twice, going forward regularly, because your baby's gut will forget it otherwise. Just like it is in the formative years, you checked one food as a safe food, you cannot leave it. Your baby has to get adapted to it. Otherwise, you will be introduced to another surprise, which you don't want for sure. Third thing is ensure the food is well cooked, no half-boiled food, fish, egg, dry fruits. Even dry fruits, you'll have to roast it well and powder it and offer to your child. Please keep an open mind because negativity is not good for anything, and don't be scared, oh, what if may cause allergy? No. And in case you want to introduce these, please offer it early in the morning or first thing in the morning as a first food. Definitely with breast milk, formula milk, no compromise on that. I had made a video on when to offer solids. We have made a series of video on solid introduction tips. Please do watch it. Now, what I was telling is offer it in the morning so that you have time to observe, monitor and take care of your child in case of allergies. Morning is the best time. The research says if any food allergy has to show up, it will happen within 24 hours. So if your child has slept well, woken up, then no issues. Next day you can move on to other foods. And if at all you see some issues like hives, swelling of lips, eyes, ears, nose, vomiting, behavioral changes, breathing issues, please go to doctor immediately or call him up and he will be able to guide you on what has to be done. This is very, very rare. And at last, remember, food is the medicine. Medicine should not be food of our children. We should not be giving them supplements because son cannot take egg. I think my child will get allergy to it. I will give him supplements. No, this will cause long-term issues in your child. And as doctors and research says, first year when you introduce, your baby is risk-free later. So let's ensure we do that, because nutrition has to come from these sources, which we are worried, but definitely we can give it a try. And yeah, on this channel I regularly make videos on introduction of foods, food charts, baby health, baby care, mom health and care videos, lots and lots of baby food recipes, kids food recipes. Do check them, and do consider following this channel or subscribing to it, because it is necessary for me to reach out to more people to educate them on what is right. And if you think my videos are doing justice to the topic, do consider sharing, liking and commenting. And I'm the founder of the brand Tots and Moms Foods, which is an organic, chemical-free, preservative food brand running since almost 9 years successfully. We are on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry and Big Basket, and on totsandmoms.com as well. You can check our products. Do consider checking them, buying them after you like any review, and leave a review in case you are already our existing customer. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.